Hmm. I woke up a few minutes back. Time is somewhere around 8:25. Hmm. So yesterday everyone sounded pissed. Uh, I don't know why. No, look like pissed. I guess I shared my. The guard was there. The guard wanted to do some business. He's going to. So he was. I spoke with him that my uncle in Pune did a business, but he got lucky. Hmm? Uh, Small business, small scale business. So I gave him that example. And I know this because in 2008, when I left Mumbai, I went to Yerwada first. I was living in a building, uh, third floor, alone. And whatever, the things over there were quite scary. After 10, you won't see anyone out. But I used to come out. One, two, it didn't matter, never mattered. And my cousins were also there, and his friends were also there, so everyone knows me there. So when in 2008, when I went there, uh, I left Mumbai. I was too, what do you call it, confused in my life. So my cousin helped me in that. Uh, you do this animation in filmmaking, DP Road. You are an artist. Everyone knew from my childhood that I used to sketch and paint and all this stuff. I never knew I'll become a filmmaker. I never knew this thing. I never knew this part. So I went there. When there, I started doing my stuff. So then, so in 2008, somewhere over there, I had a Nokia cell phone, small one. Uh, Before that, I had a cellular, but without the camera and all. But after that, I had a small cellular Nokia. So that cellular is been given by my sister to a neighbor. A neighbor you always used to hop around my house. We used to leave our house on their what do you call it? Their trust. Cats and dogs were there, so we need someone to take care of them, and we trusted them. Those were the children. So that Nokia phone was given to them. And I guess someone, New Year's Eve we go to Shirdi, me and my family. So right on 31st, someone opens up my portable hard disk. In recent checks, I came to know that it was open, and my surveillance was compromised. Someone has complete access into my surveillance. And the children who used to come in the house are dead, and the property has been taken by their mother. Husband dead, children dead. And that mother, somewhere in Ulhasnagar, they had a criminal case that they put on a what do you call it, false accusation of on a small girl of theft of some jewelry which you wear, on your feet. Girls usually wear it. So her son must be somewhere around 1 year old, year 2000 somewhere. So that lady accused that girl, a neighbor, of theft, and the jewelry was in the house itself, their own house. They got it later. So she tortured her so much publicly and everything. So that girl committed suicide, jumped into the well, Ulhasnagar. This is the case. And somehow, I think they are also connected to this case. Portable hard disk, when we were out, then what do you call it? hidden bugs inside my house, my surveillance getting compromised. So, and that lady already had that thing, accusing and torturing, and that girl committed suicide, jumped into the well. So, Ulhasnagar, somewhere in 2000, somewhere that case is her child must be at 1 year, 1 year old. Shit, kind of ugly. Now I see the world, the world has turned like that lady. Some of them has turned like that lady. They put you into false accusation and they torture until you commit suicide. An animated paper stolen from the attic. So there was a maid too who used to enter my house for that. What do you call it? For my cat and dogs, pets. This thing, roti. She used to do the roti thing for that pets. We had too many of them before. Now we are having very less. My sister took it away, but they are very less now. We had too many of them. Uh, so my mother was, it was not possible for my mother to cook for so many people. So we needed help. We paid her, and she used to do that roti thing, and she had complete access into the house. That's how. Look, I can tell these are the suspects because of their behavior. When I went to Chembur, and their behavior kind of weird. Kind of weird. I can't tell what they are doing. I can't tell what they have done behind my back. If I have done anything, why would I go for police station and ask for reports? Do it, fucking do it. Police don't want to do it. You understand? So don't bother me, that's the best thing, right? Why they'll bother me? Did I come to court? Did I come to police station? Right? I came on time, right? The moment I came to know. So yesterday what they have done while I was out? Hmm? What they have done? I go there, I get suggestion of marriages. Huh? I come back, I see, what do you call it? I just took a snap. I had to do this. I just took a snap with my mother's. Uh, so everyone got scared. So I knew this, that scammers play behind your back. You shouldn't come to know. I loosen up them a bit that you do whatever you want to do. Only one day I'll take that snap of myself at my mother's. And whatever you have done here, you are getting fucked for it, not me. And did you had to do this? Do you had to do this? No. No one has to do anything. I said that if you use it, I have no fucking problem. Those wells. What more that you want? What more is it? Do you want? Huh? What more do you want? You have this fence, right? You stole it, you have it, I forgave it. This thing, what do you call it? Will put you in trouble, not me, I said before. Still I say stop doing this. Now look, it's same like chamber. I used to tell them, don't do this, don't listen to anyone, don't do this. What was in their head, I still don't know. They kept on doing. Hmm? I guess things never change. Right? I showed everyone the right way. That don't do this. Why you want to do this? Huh? I was going where I had nothing to do with anyone. So live your life here. Do whatever you gotta do. Huh? I was going somewhere else. How can anyone say that you cannot go, you cannot leave? Huh? Who am I of them? Who am I of them? Are they my father? Are they my mom? Are they my parents? Are they my siblings? Who are they to tell me you cannot go anywhere? My exes don't stop me. It didn't. It never stopped me that you cannot go here, you cannot go there. And when we stopped, I made sure that I will. That's the end. They cannot chain me like this. No one can chain me. That is the only thing I love the most. My fucking freedom. I'll go wherever I want. Who the fuck is anyone to tell me not to go? Huh? News are getting fucked by what do you call it? This government is getting fucked. There is a noise all over that the government is making nudes and blackmailing. Tackle this shit now. Government is in lot of pressure. You have no clue, and you still don't know how many opposition parties are there. So anyways, it's morning. Don't spoil your mood. Do what you got to do. Focus in your life. Huh? You will do a lot of progress. Don't focus on my life. Don't get into my head. Your head will get messed up. I am already a mess up head. This one. My head is already a mess. So whatever is left of me, what do you call it? I'll work somewhere. What do you call it? I'll try and forget stuff. Try and forget things. Try and forget. Try and relive. This thing is hurting me again and again.